Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna go jump straight in the dyno. We're gonna go and listen to this awesome RB E92 M3 drift car. Let's go do it. So the car's all been mapped in-house at SRD, set up, ready for drifting. Also, Mike fitted all of the aqua sump in it as well. So we've got that extra oil volume around the engine. Also, Mike has also set up a very complex logic system to fire the solenoid and doing the logic on it as well. So the aqua sump is pretty much perfect for drifting. If you get a split second and a loss of oil pressure, the solenoid would fire, and it will fire the residual oil that's held in the pressurized aqua sump back into the engine to make sure there is never any oil starvation. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.